Hello everyone, welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to destination for making your dream home a reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. When we think about curb appeal, we often focus on paint colors or landscaping. But there is one massive element that literally ties the whole look together: the roof. Whether you're building from scratch or looking to renovate, the silhouette of your house is defined by its roofline. Today, we're diving deep into the world of house roof designs to help you choose a style that is not only functional, but breathtakingly beautiful in the world of architecture. Choosing the right roof design is crucial because it dictates the entire silhouette of your property to the overall energy efficiency of the building. A well-thought-out roof adds significant market value and personality to a structure. Long-term investment in your home's durability, drainage capabilities. Explore different roof types and materials that are available to find the ideal design for enhancing. 1. Gable roof design. A gable roof is a classic choice, known for its pitched, triangular shape with two sloping sides. On this gorgeous Georgian home, the roof's sides slope along both the front and back, revealing a triangular gable from the side view. This elegant exterior is highlighted by timeless, traditional features like brick siding and dark shutters that create visual appeal. 2. Gable roof styles. Gently sloping gable roofs are often features on ranch-style houses, making the rooftop less visible from the street. When you're selecting roofing materials, make sure to choose a color and texture that harmonizes well with your siding. For example, this stunning home features cedar shingle siding with a rough texture and muted tones, beautifully complemented by the gray-brown shingles on the roof. 3. Hip roof design. Hip roofs are one of the most common roof styles today, characterized by four sloping sides meeting at a ridge on top. This design is elegant and functional, often using elements like dormer windows. These features can significantly increase storage or living space under the roof, providing extra room in your home. Hip roofs are ideal for homes in areas with high wind or snowfall due to their sturdy structure. 4. Dormer roof designs. Dormers are windows that project from the sloping side of a roof, each with its own miniature roof that can be pitched, arched, or flat. By incorporating dormer windows, you bring beautiful, natural light and airflow to the upper parts of a home while enhancing the roofline's visual interest and overall dimension. 5. Gambrel roof style. Gambrel roofs have two equal sides that slope down symmetrically, starting gently and then steeply, depending on complementary architectural features. A gambrel roof can convey a rustic or elegant theme, making it perfect for many different styles of homes. 6. Mansard roof style. Mansard roofs, which have been popular in Europe for centuries, have four double-sloped sides that meet to form a flat area or a low-pitched ridge at the center. Dormers are commonly integrated into the lower slope to increase natural light. While this elegant home was initially a federal-style design, many post-Civil War updates remain, including the iconic mansard roof. The gorgeous purple-gray scalloped shingles enhance the home's ornamental details. 7. Flat roof styles. Flat roofs are often used on contemporary-style homes. These roofs often require sturdy materials due to their low angles, which help with water drainage. It's critical to choose a material that can withstand heavy snow if you live in a colder climate, ensuring your roof can handle harsh winters without damage. Materials like rubber membrane or modified bitumen are great choices for flat roofs. 8. Dutch colonial roof design. Dutch colonial homes often feature gambrel roofs with steeply sloped sides. This stunning roof style typically spans two exterior sides of the home's second floor, making material and color selections highly visible from the street. Wood shingles and shakes offer natural appeal but ensure they have fire retardant treatments. Alternatively, you can consider synthetic options like laminated composition shingles that mimic the shake profile. 9. Skillion roof style. Skillion roof style. Skillion roofs, also known as lean-tos, slope in just one direction, forming unique dramatic angles. They can be used in specific roof areas or across an entire structure for a bold contemporary exterior. Skillion roofs often incorporate various angles for a dynamic appearance. Their steep pitch makes them ideal in areas with substantial rain or snow, since they ensure quick runoff. 10. Clay tile roof. Tile roofs stand out with their bold colors and textures. These breathtaking roofs are often seen on Spanish or Mediterranean-style homes. In the Southwest, clay tiles are especially popular for deflecting hot sun and cooling interiors to keep the house feeling comfortable. Though expensive, tile roofs are durable and will last a long time. This home's stucco exterior matches the warm hues and textures of a clay tile roof. 11. Metal roof styles. Metal roofs, which are made from materials such as aluminum, steel, or copper, are long-lasting, lightweight, and fire-resistant. However, they can conduct heat and produce a lot of noise. A sleek metal roof amplifies this three-story clapboard cottage, with its bold red hue forming an appealing color palette alongside the all-white exterior and thick, lush greenery. 12. Slate roof materials. Slate is an elegant and appealing roofing material suitable for various home styles. However, it can be pricey to install and maintain. For those appreciating slate's appearance but not the cost, composite materials made from slate and resins are more affordable, offering the natural look of slate with simpler installation and upkeep. 13. Combining different types of roofs. Many homes feature multiple roof styles within a single structure to heighten visual interest. This stunning, Tudor-inspired home combines dormer and gable roof designs to cross gables shape the roof's edges, while the center includes 3 practical dormer windows to add light and break up the expansive roofline. Copper awnings and a wooden entry door further enhance the home's exterior allure. 14. Mixing roof materials. You don't have to stick to using a single roofing material, especially if the roof's style changes. On this home, white PVC roofing on the new upper-level addition provides energy savings and is only visible from above. The lower section utilizes metal roofing to maintain the home's original character, so it won't lose its charm. 15. Roof design updates. It's generally advisable to remove an old roof before installing a new one. It's tearing off the existing roof exposes any defects in the decking, allowing for necessary repairs before laying new materials. In this case, the aging roof was replaced with gorgeous slate-style fiberglass composite shingles that beautifully complement the house's new gray-blue exterior. Choosing a roof design is a big decision, but it's also an exciting opportunity to express your personal style, from the sharp lines of contemporary metal roofing to the timeless charm of traditional tiles. The right choice will make you smile every time you pull into your driveway. Remember, the best roof for your home is one that balances your local climate needs with the architectural vibe you love most. We hope this guide has given you the inspiration you need to look up and start dreaming big for your next project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home exterior inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which roof style is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know. Also, be sure to click the notification bell so you never miss a chance to elevate your living space.